So today we're looking at hypervigilance. We were talking about it before and being stuck in survival mode and overfunctioning and then collapse. So many people oscillate between doing too much and feeling completely depleted. And as I said in the last video, hypervigilance keeps the system alert, overfunctioning, and that, it's kind of doing that to keep danger at bay. But then collapse arrives when the system can no longer sustain that level of tension all the time. And none of these states are choices, they're kind of unconscious patterns and rhythms, and they're survival rhythms that you learned from an earlier time in life when there was genuine threat around, and steadiness or predictability perhaps was absent. But naming this cycle and becoming aware of the cycle restores dignity and opens the door to learning how to regulate. So between the stimulus and response, there's a gap, and therein destinies are formed, and that gap is the pause that you take doing watching these videos and doing the journaling. So the three questions that go with this little further reflections on hypervigilance: where do you push yourself beyond your limits? Where do you push yourself beyond your limits? And what happens just before you collapse or shut down, or oh, feel like you're at the end of your rope? And how might rest feel threatening rather than nourishing? Just ponder on that and just have a wonder, why would rest feel threatening rather than nourishing? So I'll see you in the next video when we'll look at the cost of constantly adapting to this pattern.